Now, here's meteorologist TJ Del Santo with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
We're likely going to continue to see precipitation, snow, and sleet for the next 24 hours or so. Might actually linger into the daytime on Tuesday as well. But the worst of it now through the daytime on Monday. Let's take a look at what's happening right now. Our live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. We got blues and pinks here, and you can see down along the south coast as we investigate things a little bit more closely with our dual pole radar. You can see these bright areas of yellow here. That's an indication that we have a melting layer. It tells me that we've got some sleet and even some freezing rain down along the south coast all the way down to Block Island. Everywhere else up in here is primarily snow, although Providence is still reporting a bit of sleet falling from the sky. But I think we're going to be looking at increasing amounts of snow during the overnight as the atmosphere cools above us. Winter storm warning now in effect until Tuesday at 1 a.m. for all of Rhode Island except for Block Island and all of Bristol County as well. Your threat tracker for tonight and Monday. High chance of weather that will impact your life. Obviously the snow and a little bit of icing out there. Tuesday goes down a little bit. Likely still going to be finding some messy roadways first thing on Tuesday morning. Live pictures from downtown Providence. Looks pretty snowy. We've got a very light snowfall in Providence at the moment. Hurricane barrier cam. Looking at the lights, you can see a few flakes coming on down there. The temperatures, they've dropped like a rock. Look at Smithfield, down to 12 degrees, 17 in Providence, 18 in Newport. The cold air has arrived, but it's also clashing up against some relatively warm air. We have a coastal front right in here, and that's going to help to enhance the snowfall to the north and west of that front within that cold air during the overnight and through the daytime tomorrow. Satellite radar picture showing lots of snow all lined up. That's going to be working its way through the area over the next 24 hours or so. We had one front come on through earlier in the day. It's now offshore, and with it the cold air. But again, we're seeing a localized front here in southern New England, that coastal front, keeping things a little bit milder right along Cape Cod and the south coast of Rhode Island. Our Futurecast shows the snow overnight. Might be a lull for a little while, but look what happens. It begins to blossom back up throughout the morning into the afternoon. And notice right in here, that's that heavier batch of snow that will produce some high snowfall totals from Boston down into parts of Rhode Island during the next 24 hours. This is snow totals. What fell last night, which was between 1 and 4 inches, what will fall all day tomorrow and into early Tuesday, 10 to 15 inches, Providence north, maybe about 10 in Providence, 4 to 7 inches at the south coast, 15 to 24 northern Rhode Island, all the way up into Boston. So overnight, quite cold with off and on snow. By 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, an additional 2 to 4 inches on the ground. By 3 o'clock in the afternoon, an additional 2 to 4 inches of snow will likely be on the ground. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12, 7-day Futurecast. Light snow into Tuesday morning. Wednesday looks dry. Thursday, guess what? More snow is possible. Could be significant. We're watching it closely. Look at Valentine's Day. High temperature of 14 degrees. Morning low, only -8. The record is -7 for that day. So we could be looking at record smashing cold. And hey, guess what? Just for fun, looks like we could have more snow next Sunday. Be sure to download our new WPRI Pinpoint weather app. You can get live radar wherever you are for your iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. So we are looking at a continuous supply of snow and cold.
All right, we will brace for that. TJ, thank you. And just a reminder, we'll be on extra early tomorrow morning, 4 o'clock as opposed to 4:30. Pete Mangione, Michelle Muscatella will continue all of this for you. And